Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by forming a sturdy flat base because a stable bottom prevents sag. Use worsted or cotton yarn and a 4mm hook. Make an adjustable ring and work 6 to 8 rounds of single crochet, increasing evenly each round. Once done, place a stitch marker at the round start so you maintain even increases. Make sure to check that the base lies flat. If cupping appears, add increases in the next round to flatten the circle before moving to side rows. Now transition to the mesh body to create stretch and breathability. Chain spaces combined with double crochet clusters form the mesh. Work these in continuous rounds so seams don't line up. Keep an eye on stitch counts, and count mesh repeats every 4 to 6 rounds to maintain consistent spacing. Once the bag reaches desired depth, add 1 or 2 solid reinforcement rows of single crochet to stabilize the top edge where handles will attach. Make sure to measure depth against items you plan to carry. Finish by forming handles that resist stretching. Build handles from reinforced single crochet rows or make folded straps and sew them back onto the bag with tight whip or mattress stitch. Weave in all ends neatly and block the bag lightly to even out the mesh and shape the base. If you notice twisting or uneven tension, undo the affected section and rejoin at a known round marker, then reinforce weak spots with extra surface slip stitches. This corrects distortion without unraveling the whole project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.